Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to find LCM of two numbers by using three different methods. Okay. So let me consider the two numbers as 8 and 12. Okay. So I want to find the LCM of these two numbers, 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12. We want to find. So we can use just three methods here in order to find the LCM. Let me share you first method. First method is the normal method, means first we will take the multiples of 8 and 12 and we will select the least common multiple. So let me write the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 is equal to, we know that 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. These are the multiples, some multiples, first five multiples of 8. You can write any number of multiples, but I think for this problem we just need only 3 to 4 multiples. Next I am writing the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. So what are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So I wrote first five multiples of uh, I wrote first five multiples of 8 and then first five multiples of 12. Okay. Now I want to select the least common multiple. There are some common multiples we can observe here. 24 and here it is 24. So this is the least one. Okay. So you can write, for example, if I extend the multiples of 8. So let me write again 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. I am writing 6 multiples. Next, for 12, again I am writing 6 multiples. So 12, 24, 36, 48, yes, 48, 60. Now if you observe, there are two common multiples for 8 and 12. One is 24. So this is 24 is the first common multiple and 48 is the next common multiple. But out of 24 and 48, 24 is the least one. That's why, so the LCM of 8 comma 12 is equal to 24. So this is the first method and a general method. So in this method what we actually did is we wrote multiples of 8 and multiples of 12. Out of these multiples we selected some common multiples, and in these common multiples we need to select the least one. That is the first method. Now we will see second method. Second method. Second method is a prime factorization method. So we'll write the prime factors for 8 and 12. So let me write the prime factors for 8. How can you write first? You need to start with least prime number 2. So 2 fours 8, 2 twos 4, and 2 ones 2. Now 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Into 1 you can write or leave it, you no problem. So you have 2 cube for 8. Next I want to do the prime factors. I want to find prime factors for 12. So 12, 2 6 12, and 2 3s 6. Next 3 1s 3. So 12 can be written as the product of the prime factors 2 into 2 into 3. So it can be written as the 2 square into 3. Okay. Now how can you find LCM in this prime factorization method? Here we need to select. So I am just writing the statement to find the LCM using the factorization method. So product of largest powers. Okay, product of largest powers of all factors, or prime factors. Here we selected only prime factors, that's why I'm writing all factors. So product of largest powers of all factors. Therefore, if you see here and here, uh, 2 power is highest. The power of 2 is the highest, in which case, in this case, power of 2 is highest. Therefore, LCM of 8 comma 12 is equal to 2 power 3, and we have only one another prime factor, and its power is 1, and I need to write 3. So 2 cube is 8. So 8 into 3, 24. So again I got the same answer. Using first method I got 24, and using second method I got 24. In first method we wrote all the multiples of 8 and 12, and we selected common multiples. Out of those common multiples, we selected least one. In second method, we expressed each number as a product of its prime factors, and we did the product of largest powers of all factors, so that we got LCM. Okay. Now we'll go for another method, last method, which is the division method. Okay. So let me do this third method. In all the three methods, we will get the same result, obviously. So 8 and 12, we need to find LCM for 8 and 12. So this is division. So first we need to select a least prime number. So 2. Okay. So 2 4 8 and 2 6 12. Next 2 2s 4 and 2 3 6. Now for 2 and 3 there is no common factors, so that's why I can write here 2. 2 ones are 2, and 3 I am writing this here as it is. Next 3 again, so 1 I am writing as it is, 3 ones 3. Now what I got, I need to just multiply in this order to get the LCM. So using third method, so LCM of 8 comma 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. No need to write here. So 2 cube is 8. So 8 into 3 is 24. So again we got the same result. So let me summarize this class. In this class we used 3 different methods to find the LCM of two numbers. In the first method, we wrote all the multiples and selected the least common multiple. In the second method, we did the prime factorization and did the product of highest powers of all factors. Okay, so it is a prime factorization. In the third method, we did division. We call this as synthetic division. Uh, in all these three methods, we got the same value of LCM for two numbers, which are 8 and 12. Okay. I hope this video gave you some understanding related to LCM, how to find LCM in different ways. Okay. So if you really like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit a like button. Thank you very much.